Hello my people, I don't come again. Is your ogbonge sister AB Media wey dey bring better story for una. I don't carry another ogbonge story dey come o. As e dey hot, seriously hot o. Now I carry the story come say make una use una eye see and make una hear with una hand. Even people wey no dey hear our language better, I go teach una wetin dey happen. I go tell una how e dey be. This thing wey una dey see here na this our brother. This house wey una dey see as una dey watch am, this our brother with him brother, him junior brother o. Junior brother tell am say today two of them go finish their self o. Say because he no know why him go be senior brother, say no suppose to be a senior brother. He say the senior brother come dey tell am say me and you na brother, I no go fit do bad for you, you are my brother, I no wan do you bad. Him brother say he no care o, say me him wan do am bad, say as he no wan do am bad, say him go dey do am bad, say he no care. My people, I no know wetin this world dey turn again o, because me this thing tire me o. How two brother dem dey fight, seriously fight o. Dem go destroy all the whole house, all their house, carry am down. My people, abeg, I no know wetin dey happen now for this world o. Now I see the story, I say make I bring am come, make people put mouth, make people talk o, because I no know this in ordinary eye. Because how two brothers go dey fight each other? If you see the way they are fighting, destroying their house, two of them house, dem destroy the house go down. The brother tell am say the junior brother o, that one no gree. He say him go finish him brother, say nothing go make am no finish him brother. If him brother no finish am, say him go finish him brother. My sister, my people, I say abeg make una put mouth o, abeg, because I no understand wetin dey happen o. How two brothers dey fight theirself, seriously fight.
Yes, it's not far again.
No, na watch am.
Where beg you? Gin dem eze na bulu. Gin eze.
Na kwa bife na ese na acha na ma ya ngunu mmiri tawo iko na ogbu mu na ya hapụ m ndụ na dị ọkpara mbụ ya na-ewe iwe.
Ụlọ wee jidezi ụlọ niile na-apịarị. Kenke ngwa apịara, kesa adị ịpịara.
Nenke nkuri pinye ebe a.
Kenke ọkụtụ ya aka.
Nenke nkuri.
Kenke nya kuriri.
Nenke ọkuri ebe a.
Ile clam up o.
Kezi bene sezi okwu nke taa nke biro ziri pịarị ona.
Ma kwa nya ka o si n'aka.
Ya?
Nya ka o si n'aka. Mgbe ọbụla o jesi alụ ọrụ bata nnọọ bodo windo niile dị ebe a mgbirisi nọkịta na-asị otu mma n'ukwu okere m ọgụ sị m pụta ka o gbuo m. Ọ nọkịta ewere m mma sị m nwanne m ntụ amụ na mụ na-akwụ ụfụ ndụ ijide m ya na-atụ onye nya mburuzi ụzọ gbuo nwanne m obi adị ya mma, ma o buru ụzọ gbuo m obi adị ya mma.
Mana ụlọ na-agba mkpụrụ mmiri.
Na-akpọ m ese.
Kenke ị na-eme?
Amụ ka m na-ese.
Nyawakwana.
Nye ma bụkwa mụ amụghị nke ọ na-ese, ma ife mma ọ na-ese ka awa anwụ.
Mana ọ dị ka ụlọ eji anya unu wee mee ife unu mere kịta.
Eji m anya m wee mee.
Ngwa ji anya nke o.
Eji m anya m wee mee.
Mana anyị mara nya eji anya ya.
O nwere ike jidekwa kasị na gbara afịlụ ka ọ bụla ala. O mekarịa na mmefe.
Unu enwere ụmụnne ndị nwaanyị.
Ụmụnne ndị nwaanyị bịara mmadụ ịtọ.
Mbe ka ba nọkwa.
Tancha na China, ma Karista, ma Sabina.
Anu ngwuru niile akata ngwuru be nna.
Ngwuru ebe ahụ ngwuru be nna m.
Ngwa hụrụ di ọkpara.
Mụ ụdị ọkpara ka anyị nne m.
Kịta na ọ na-amụgo ya ọkụ n'okurisi ya nweziri ife ọzọ. Aije. Ahụ nnezi anya ọ na-afụziere onye ọ na-ewere anya efu. Nke ahụ nke ngwa apịarịrị. Ngwa apịarịrị ebe a. Nye o mechazie kịta ọ na-eje chọrọzi onye tenanta azụ ebe unu ya ebi na-abi. Ha? Amụkwara sị gị ọkụ ebe a. A na-ekwu nke ụnụ nwere amụ eche ịmụ ikwu ọzọ. Maka ọ sị ga ha ero. Onye wa pịara ihe nke a. Agbanyere ọda ka anyị nọrọ kịta. Ọ ga-ekekwana ife nwere ikwu n'ife na-eme na buru.
Ife ifuru na mifa kata bara amado na ife awo ayakpo ife mere eme ka ayakpo again. O bara gari. Maka obugo na ekwu na ese, okwosi ho nke nwanne na nwanne ji ikutu uno ha bi na ya.
And unu ekwubere okwu na bunu.
So my people, una don see as e dey hot o. Una don see the two brothers. I no understand wetin dey happen o. How person go just wake up, two of them they are fighting. Na so the senior one say, sometimes this im brother go come back from work, go just come back from work. you go tell am say you go carry knife, you go tell am say na today you wan finish am, say him senior brother go say him dey say which one say you wan finish me, he no go leave him brother make him brother finish am o, because him brother go dey fight, wan fight am. You go just carry something dey destroy. If you choose chair, you go destroy. If you see anything, you go destroy. If you throw away water, if you scatter out the whole house. Because they look him brother say wetin dey happen, and he no wan fight him brother, he no wan do him brother bad thing, he no wan do him brother any bad thing. And the man come dey complain bitterly say no wetin dey happen o. Say two of them now dey destroy the whole house, everything. If you ask them what is the problem, they no know, my people. If you ask them wetin dey happen, they go tell you say they no know. I no understand. Una dey drag something, he say no do him brother anything, he nothing, say no do him brother. Say him brother go dey tell am say I dey get where you be him senior brother, you no suppose to be a senior brother, you no suppose to be a senior brother. If na me for be senior brother, because you no suppose to be a senior brother, you are very wicked senior brother. I say God, you understand me? I don tire. I say God, which kind of thing is this? Look at their houses. Two of them house dem break am pieces because of problem, wahala. Abeg my people, I no know wetin dey happen for the world o. I'm telling you guys, I don't know what is happening. Two brother, they are not. You see, when his brother just come back from work, he will start fighting, quarreling. Even from road, he go carry knife put all him body. Say today I go finish my brother. Na so he go come back, he go start wahala o. They say na so him dey do. I don't know what is happening, abeg. They need serious prayers. I think it was what I think. Because I don't know, normal person go just come back, start fighting. Every time he talk to him brother bad way and tell him brother that I'm going to do you something bad, I'm going to do that, I'm going to do this. His brother was saying that I don't know what to, because he's my junior brother, I cannot hurt him. But every time we will go and carry a knife, we will go and do this, we say you do me this, you do me this. So say himself, he no go fold in hand, he just dey look am. As him dey do am, he come kukuma dey pieces him own. In the pieces this side, him brother the pieces this side. I say, what is this problem? What is the problem? My people, abeg make una dey take am easy. No any condition wey you go dey this one wey go come make you your own brother una go come dey fight each other. Abeg, the thing just hurt me. I say look at their houses, dem just break am, and the way dem go do this thing finish, their eye go come clear. Abeg, we need prayers for Africans. We need seriously prayers, because I don't know what is happening in the world. Look at somebody you call a brother, somebody you say this one is my brother, this one is my everything. You will wake up in the morning or go work and coming back, it's only fight he wants you and him to fight. The brother say, I avoided this my brother, I don't want fight, but my brother is coming, tell me that he's going to finish me. He cannot be alive, see me. Say him go lost, one person go. Can you imagine what his junior brother is telling him? I beg my people, these people need prayer. It's what I'm saying. These people need seriously prayer. Now I say, make I bring this topic, make I bring and come, make una use una eye see, make una use una ear hear, make una know wetin dey happen as e dey red, as e dey hot. Because our people, this time around, when I'm telling people, be prayerful, because the enemy, you don't know the enemy again. The enemy wey they think say e dey far, the enemy now, if you be saying na inside now e dey, you'll be surprised. When they tell you that this one is one that you said, it's not me, it's not him. My people, I beg, make we take am easy. Make we take am easy. Make we no dey do something wey be say we go do finish, we come dey regret. How you na go just go the two brothers una dey scatter una house, wey una dey sleep, where una go come sleep? Scatter the house, all the house go down. My people, make una see this kind of thing. Make una see this kind thing. This thing na ordinary, na wetin me I dey ask so, because me I never see dem scatter. Dem ask dem wetin be the problem. He say, this one say, my senior brother say, my brother, there's no problem. Me I'm surprised. Anytime when my brother dey come back, he go say fight. He say na fight today. say e wan finish, I say my people abeg, as I see this video I say make I share am, make my people, make una use una eye see o, because no be only me go see am o, una go say na ebi media na im put am. Na me, as I see am I say make I put am o, make una use una eyes na see am, make una see as e dey red. We have to be very careful. We have to be very careful in this world, because the devil is just, I don't know, is so much in so many people. And the prayers is the key. When you pray, you will see a different thing happening. When you pray, God will always be there for you. When you pray, you will see a different, as God is doing work. But when you're not praying, everything, you just leave everything. My sister, you have to be prayerful, because when you pray, you will see different, you see how God will be doing things. But when you are not praying, everything will be going back. But when you're praying, you will see different, you will see as God will be doing things. Please, my people, I beg una, I beg, make una remember God, make una dey near God so much, because the thing that is happening right now, we no need to just stay fold your hand though. Na God na be the ultimate. Na God na be the ultimate. Na God na be everything in this world now. So you have to be prayerful, be strong. Anything you're doing, be prayerful. Even though now you said your family no go fit do, now family now they do pass now. This one, the man they talk say no, na every time na so your brother go come back, go say he want to finish am. So you check when your brother is just come back and be talking like this. This one na house enemy. So we have to be prayerful, because sometimes they don't use their eyes. The enemy already put another thing to make two brothers to be fight. Sometimes it's not ordinary. So you don't have to be folding your hands, watching. Be prayerful. Pray to God. Because some enemy like this, they will just come, they will just be putting something, so you and your family will be fighting. We have to be very careful, my people. We have to be very careful and be prayerful in anything we do in life, because you don't know who is who. The world where we see now, people are so mean, and people are so desperate, and people are so wicked now. We have to be very prayerful. Pray without ceasing. You don't have to be saying because the devils are too much. They are much now. And when you think that nothing is happening, you see something be happen. Please, my people, I beg, watch this video and see what is happening there, and see and be careful. Subscribe to my channel.